Master task group in Async and await to perform concurrent tasks in SwiftUI. Learn how to run and cancel tasks. In this tutorial, we'll be creating this application that retrieves some weather data using the Weather API and also retrieves some user data. The user has two options: to cancel a task or to get a task, as in run a task. So if we click on get data, this will retrieve the two payloads. As you can see, it retrieved the weather data for Tokyo, London and New York. If I click on it again, then click on cancel, the payloads will not be retrieved and they will be cancelled. Now I'll click on cancel. As you can see, the weather data task was cancelled, so it ignored the data that needed to be downloaded. So this is the feature that we'll be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will add the cancel task functionality to enable the user to cancel any asynchronous tasks. Cancel all tasks. That's the name of our new function. Cancel flag equal to true. And that indicates that a task can be cancelled or should be cancelled. And then we need to loop through each of the URL sessions and then cancel each URL session manually. For tasks in data tasks, tasks.cancel. As you can see, each task will be cancelled. We need to type the following: weather data.removal. Declare the weather data array and user data.removal. So that will also make sure that our UI isn't populated with any data, since we have cancelled the task. The next thing we need to implement is our URL session delegate method. And the purpose of this method is to handle the completion and cancellation of the task. URL session task URL session task is complete with error. Error, which is optional. If let error So if there was an error, we just print the error to the screen. Error.localize description. Else we just print data task completed successfully. We will be creating on the course. The application includes 3 buttons on the main menu, which are Create To-Dos, List All To-Dos, or To-Do Stats. Clicking on Create To-Dos enables the user to add a new to-do. For example, I'll create one right now. The to-do is to collect relative from airport. Master core data and build real apps like to-do lists with notifications, pie charts, and address lookup. Learn advanced SwiftUI techniques and gain the skills to create professional apps. Join now and start your journey. Want to build your own Connect4 app? Now you can. Download the free source code and start building today. The link is in the description below. The next thing we need to do is to start to implement some of our content view. Type the following: @main actor, @state var, data fetcher, @state private var is loading equals false. The purpose of lines 10 is to make sure that the code runs on the main thread, UI thread. And lines 12 is so that we have access to the requests so that our app can perform the weather functionality for the synchronization request and to download the user's payload by JSON using the sync and await. And the purpose of line 13 is to show the loading indicator or to hide it when there's a download request in progress. And the next thing we need to do is to delete lines 15, create our navigation view. Within our navigation view, we will have a VStack. Our VStack will also include or display an error message. If an error happens, if let error message is equal to data fetcher.error message. So we do safe unwrapping there. So if there's an error, we display the error message in the text element. Just add a bit of style, foreground color style, red, and a bit of padding. In tomorrow's tutorial, we will complete the implementation of the content view. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.